Today I'm going to show you how to make this cheesy chicken bake recipe that makes an easy low-carb keto comfort food dinner. It's just a lovely casserole meal that everyone will enjoy. And I've written the blog post that I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions, and lots of ideas for variations. This recipe has only 3 ingredients in it, but you can add in lots more to suit your own tastes, budgets, and dietary requirements. So click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely chicken bake a try and what you think of it. So let me chat you through the ingredients really quickly and then show you how to make it. So there's only 3 ingredients in this super easy recipe. I've got a pack of chicken drumsticks here. You can use drumsticks, thighs, any other piece you like, but I just like the drumsticks, we all do. Use the lowest carb pasta sauce that you can find, and I've got some grated mozzarella cheese there, but you could use any cheese you like. So those are the 3 core ingredients. You can add in other vegetables like garlic, you can add in other seasoning, but I find the tomato and basil pasta sauce is more than flavorful enough. So now get the oven preheating to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit, and we'll get everything prepared. So I've popped all the chicken drumsticks into the dish. I've topped it with most of the jar of that sauce, and I'm just really moving it all around, making sure every inch is covered, tossing them around, just getting all that sauce beautifully distributed amongst our chicken. And we won't put the cheese in until much later. We're just going to cook it, get it nice and cooked, and then we'll pop cheese in at the end to crisp up. But this is going to go into the oven, which is 180 degrees Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in for half an hour, and then we'll see how it goes. The chicken's been in the oven for half an hour. I'm just going to turn all the pieces over and top it with some grated cheese. Just like that. And now it's going to go back into the oven for a final half an hour or 45 minutes. What I do is pop it in for half an hour, have a look, and if it's perfectly done, then it's perfectly done and ready. Otherwise I'll give it a final 15 minutes just to make sure everything's cooked through and nice and crispy. And it only needed another half an hour, and look at it, beautiful, crispy, cheesy chicken goodness. Such a yum dish, big family favorite, and it's really so easy, as you saw, and budget friendly. So that is the video for today with how to make this cheesy chicken bake recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely comfort food dinner a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions, and ideas for more flavor variations. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.